If you love brunch as much as I do, it's because you love savory, sweet, and everything in between. But if you're vegan, don't worry, you don't need to miss out on any classics, and LA has you covered. I'm Eunice, and today I'm going to show you 5 must-try vegan brunch spots in LA. Let's go. First stop was for the Zero FOMO brunch experience. So now I'm at Flora Vegan in the Silver Lake neighborhood of Los Angeles. This place is super cute, beautiful ambiance. They got an outdoor patio. The inside is cute little cafe vibes, bright lighting. But you guys, I'm here because they have the Yo Egg that everyone's talking about, and I just love the way that they serve it. So let's check out all their vegan brunch options. Okay, so the beautiful food has arrived. We got 2 main dishes, the huevos rancheros. Of course, had to get the Yo Egg dish on focaccia with the marinara, chickpeas, beautiful greens. So for those of you that don't know, the Yo Egg is the new up and coming egg that all the vegans are talking about because it replicates a vegan runny egg and poached egg. The yolk is made out of a sunflower oil and chickpea flour protein, which essentially is what eggs are. Real eggs are just literally fat and water, right? So they've mimicked that with a plant-based ingredient. You can find it here at Flora Vegan and other restaurants here in the LA area. But I wanted to try it with the focaccia, so here we go. Let's cut into this for that beautiful ooze. Oh my gosh, that never gets old. Cheers. I'm so hungry right now, so this is amazing. I think every breakfast should have focaccia. Like, you can't go wrong. I genuinely love this Yo Egg product. They're gonna be selling soon in stores. Just keep a lookout in the next couple months. Okay, so moving on to the next dish, huevos rancheros. You guys, I appreciate this beautiful avocado flour they put on top of here. Skills right there. So these are 2 corn tortillas with beans and tofu and a salsa and just yumminess. So let's give it a try. I just always love this flavor combination of beans and salsa, tortilla, everything, the work. The potatoes are delicious. Honestly, both of these plates are fantastic. You can't go wrong. Definitely worth a try. But you guys always have to make room for something sweet. So here's what we're gonna get. Okay, so like I said, you always gotta leave room for dessert. We have a beautiful banana-infused waffle here with vegan butter and of course maple syrup on top. So let's give this a try. Oh yeah, that waffle is so fluffy. And with the vegan butter and the blueberries and the syrup, you can't go wrong. You guys, check out Flora. Definitely a place worth checking out here in LA. Next, I took a little road trip up north to Sherman Oaks for a vegan Italian brunch experience with a beautiful ambiance at the one and only Donna Jean. Because when else can you start your day with vegan lasagna, oyster mushroom biscuits and gravy, and a brunch calzone that's so big, well, let me show you for size reference. You will want to dig in because it's stuffed with just egg and veggies and served with an amazing romesco sauce. Now let me just show you guys this lasagna because all the pasta is made in-house, the flavor is amazing, and I could eat this all day. The mushroom biscuits and gravy hits the spot for those comfort classics, and they make their own vegan butter. And you can't leave without getting dessert because they have a lemon pound cake and a pistachio cheesecake, but the pound cake was my favorite. This is definitely worth checking out. Just a little north of Dodger Stadium, you will find one of the best vegan gems in the city. Just what I needed. Okay, you guys, so just what I needed is a mandatory spot for brunch because they have all the classics, absolutely delicious. It's women owned, it's Latina owned, so you got breakfast burrito, always gotta start with a good breakfast burrito, and add that salsa on top. It has vegan egg and hash brown. Well, and then of course, you guys, the reason I'm here is because I really, really love their biscuit sandwich. This thing is a monster and a must try. I've had it before. It was love at first bite. Let me just show you guys one more time. The biscuit is so fluffy and flaky. They even have a gluten-free option. The first time we came here, they had sold out of the regular, and we tried the gluten-free. We were impressed. It's so good. You honestly Can't go wrong with either option. I absolutely love that they just make the giant biscuits. The patty is Impossible patty, but hey, I love it. All right, let me try this breakfast burrito. Oh, can't go wrong with a good breakfast burrito. We got some bacon in there. This is a solid breakfast burrito. Love the tofu scrambled egg. Love the double-decker crispy hash brown. Honestly, you guys, this is an amazing spot for brunch. It has a beautiful patio. They have a beautiful deck of desserts. Overall, just what I need is a solid spot. Come for brunch, come for dessert, come for the vibes. Just come. Next is a local favorite that so many always recommend. They make all their pastries in-house and you can tell they're in business for the animals. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna try your OG breakfast sandwich.
It'll be $14.24, please.
All right, so now I'm at Little Barn. I had to get the OG breakfast sandwich as you saw me order, because this is kind of one of the things that they're known for, and one of the things that I've been dying to try. Say hi to my friend Rob, he's enjoying his breakfast sandwich over there. It's also really good at How to Bite. But as you can see, this thing is loaded with their marinated in-house tofu. They make their own vegan croissants, so they get extra brownie points for that. They also have a very cute patio, takeout window style, got breakfast burritos, but let's give this a try. Oh yeah, I love the melted cheese. The croissant is buttery. It's not so much flaky as it is soft. They have basil in there, tomato. Oh yeah. I gotta come back here for this. They have a huge menu of a bunch of different things. Definitely worth coming to check out. Last, you had to take a little drive to Long Beach, still technically in LA, for the Wild Chive. So I'm at the Wild Chive here in Long Beach. This place is so popular. People from LA will drive to Long Beach to eat here because the brunch is that good. You guys, you can get everything from appetizers to pancakes to BLTs to you name it, burgers. The Wild Chive started as a pop-up, and it just from there, slowly, it has grown into this beautiful brick and mortar with lots of decorations. You can see their history through the walls. They have an open kitchen, they have a coffee bar, they have iced vegan Vietnamese coffee, which is amazing. You usually can't get that at a lot of places. I can totally see why this is a hype, but let's talk about more food. Okay, now moving on, because I cannot help myself. When I come here, I'm craving like brunch food, right? You guys, you have to get their pancakes. They're just so fluffy looking and they look amazing. They make this epic in-house egg patty. They got vegan bacon, they got everything. And the reason I got this plate is because a while back ago, they made a special that was breakfast pancake tacos. And I was like, this is freaking genius. So they don't have that anymore, but you can essentially make your own taco plate, right? With the pancakes, the side of sausage, the bacon, the egg. So let's give this a try. I'm gonna grab a little bacon and the egg and some pancake. Mandatory when you come here, please get tater tots. They're one of the best things in the world. The sausage patty is made in-house, and I love how flavorful it is. I love that it's not like store-bought vegan processed meat. They really do make an effort to make everything in-house. Trust me, I understand why this place is worth the hype. If you're craving brunch food, you definitely got to do it. They have other foods like burgers, like I said. Make sure to come check them out. Okay, you guys. Do not leave without trying the beignets. These look so magical. They look so legit, so fluffy. Oh, and they serve it to you with this amazing looking jam. Oh my God. Listen, these are legit. They are just as good as the traditional ones. Oh my God. You have to try these. Okay, so as you can see, there are tons of vegan brunch options in the LA area. I just barely did a little preview of everything that LA has to offer. There are so many other great places that I want to check out, that I hope you check out, but please make sure to check out these places as well. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Let me know what other content you want to see next. You can see more videos up here, and I'll catch you next time on Rated V. Bye.